General clutter and lack of storage was making my bedroom feel a little bit cramped and disorganized, and I wanted to find a storage solution that was easy to access, durable enough, compact, and this under the bed storage with the wheels was a smart solution for me. This is all the travel stuff that I access pretty regularly, but I only need to get like one thing at a time, like just the mace or just the book or just the flashlight, just the first aid. And there's 5 things I really like about it. 1, I like the size. It holds 68 pounds. I like the dividers in it. It helps keep things a little bit more organized. I love the wheels are 360 rotation. They glide really easily, even on carpet for me. The PU wipeable fabric is supported by the cardboard. I like the clear, transparent lid. I can see through it, keeps the dust off. The zippers work easily for me. Frame is metal with the caster wheels. I did assemble it myself, took no time at all. If you've assembled anything, you should be good to go there. I'll show you how in a minute. And it stores really easily under my bed. I do have 7 inches of clearance, which is required, but as long as you have that, it goes in and out super easily. Here's the end view. I do love that I can change out the label on that. I did use my label maker and just put travel on this one, but could flip the card over. The wheels plus the 5-inch box are about 6.6 inches. You cannot remove the wheels, but they do rotate really well. The plastic is pretty solid. I do like the zippers. I feel like I could wipe it off or spray it. And there is some clearance under that metal frame that seems pretty durable. The frame supports a cardboard base bottom, also covered in that PU plastic, but that gives it the solid base that you would need to put a lot of little things in. And there's the cardboard on the side as well as the cardboard inside of all the dividers. But once you build it, here's kind of a pleather-ish handle on all 3 sides, so you can put it under the bed in any way. And then it hides away nice and easily. These are my timers, my lights, my vases that I don't use all the time, but I do use frequently, off-season stuff. And again, I labeled it timers and lights and store that so I can get to it when I'm going away for the holidays, power outages, etc. And I always like to know how extensive the build is. It's not. You build a frame, you put the cardboard on top, put on the wheels, and you're good to go. It does come in a set of 2. So here's the frame. It just locks and loads. The wheels you snap on. Here is the cardboard base covered in the PU plastic, and then the dividers as well. And then the rest of the frame comes pre-built for you with the plastic lid and the zippers already integrated. Here is the one of the 3 leather handles and that plastic cover. So you simply take the pieces and you push them together, they interlock, and then you take the screws that are provided and you will put them in the ends. There are 6 of those, and you use a hex square mounting. I do not use that little Allen wrench that's provided. I use a drill because I'm lazy, but it is there if you need it. One tiny hint, make sure the wheel openings both face the same direction when you're assembling it, so all 4 wheels will touch the bottom, for example, as you're screwing the piece together. 6 total screws per base, and it takes no time at all. Slide the assembled base into the 4 Velcro straps plus 4 on the sides. You have 1 for each corner and 1 for each side. And then you're going to take the included wheels and they just screw into the base. I recommend doing it manually as much as possible by hand. The included little baby wrench is helpful, but it's very thin. It's best for like the last final tweak. Then you'll place the cardboard frame in the bottom of each box. It slides in nice and tight, gives some shape and structure to it, really fits well there. And then you have the dividers. You can place them anywhere you like. There is Velcro on the end of each divider. Here I'm just placing them right on that center line of the 3 that separates into 3 evenly divided pieces, but you can really attach it anywhere along the Velcro that you like to adjust the size of each area. For dimensions, it's about 30 long by about 18 inches wide, and each of the inserts average about 10 inches if you do them equally. If you want to maximize the total inside, max width would be 16 with a remainder of about 7 on each additional side. Max interior depth is about 5, 6.6, including the wheels. You want 7 inches of clearance. But overall, I like that it's easy to close. It turns wasted space into extra storage for me. The Genius rolling organizer makes it super easy to use. Love the handles, love the zippers. It's solid enough for my needs. No more mess, and I can organize it even with the labels that I want. I hope this helps. If it does, give it a like and helps me know to create more videos like this.